Simple. And Edward Ajimandria. Safo Jemfi, and then 1978 best African footballer, Golden Boy Abdulrazak, the captain of the side. Sama Ipe ono bono to me join or a super speedster to me join Kraja Bono. Wilson Kofi Abri. Then you have Prince Poli and Akin Georgiata. Abri first corner, Safo Jemfi had the equalizer. Abri second corner, Prince Poli, Nedim. Third one, Prince Poli Nedim. Safo Jemfi share and Asara Mensa. Una nesre kesia pa. Every bench by na sawa. Kotoko we omu 5-1. Simple Elbara Sports Stadium. Mecho niema Kotoko to me. Unfortunately, 1993 finals at Kotoko Koya. Zamalek 0-0-0-0.
I've also about 93 in some common ordinary depa. Na mamena mo kitwa bi. Me koba ya pena mene wasan to asona fi. Where about Sharonze coach Mali Jabe. Ewo video ma tine coach ni ebe din komono pa na aboama ne ma dadie da meti apostle ahye komona se sumpediana se na ya sha se bishop wa komia wa ha de nyina be kan bom na ye ne coach din komana aboama ne ma dadie ti no mamena me kwede ba ya pe Krobia at 87 ye be sen room na dia ka to aso dia ma.
They'll play a high press to force the mistakes. They'll dominate the aerial ball. They too tall.
We'll handle the pressure and smash them on the break.
The number 9 has scored in their last 5 games.
The passing will be quick, decisive, precisely. There will be drama in the dying minutes.
This match will mean more than 3 points. They will have the home ground advantage. This is why I bet.
This is why I bet.
This is why I bet. Betway.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly, not for persons below 18 years.
Wine and echo, wine and etna, and a few boko bakum, Akakusi account baby for Frankie Dion, or Betna, I'm not sure the call. Liverpool, every midfield day. Oh no, I'm the fan. I'm the call for before.
We need for account in the deadline day special. Bro, Yawada 1st September 2022. If I'm a June do, you could see how much do me.
On your radio, Sompa 93.1 FM. On TV, Sompa TV on your multi-TV decoder. On Facebook, Sompa 93.1 FM.
The pound for more Ghana and your mom will change Nani Betnasi. I think Kunya no much and Yakoso on transfer deadline day.
Only ensure na yending komo about transfers. Deadline day special on Sompa. Sompa e market yapa.
Ati sa perpenete nyambwa yebesi nkonya na chesa aboa manema koye peramanti Sompa deadline day special no be remedy amani nyina transfer window no na yehwe na eba na wie didi nkomonti nyambwa chna na jeze nondu boa nwumre no after zemrante hene nana edene de na kwapem no ni ababeji egua no yebewrewura ma to say be cruci eti 10 to 12 am na ye de ram fie da na afi no ya cho sere nema esie kona aboa manema dadi pa etimi aramantini entra na a program be de pa mache no anasa anadwo no ye be wura mo miamia bebre interviews awdo na beba obon pictures awdo na obon videos awdo na anti no ye cheze mre no ana yetu no ye be chuosie no bibi e kona yakwa kutu no na aboana ne mada ye pe timera mana sere mo ka ye tie no sese kakra abana sese abano e chese na otwi bia no na wie no memenda na ya programs na ye no na sakre kakra etimi aban the final lap e sports juma dia ye de bro no otwe no nya chese memende bia enkane ne transfer mra no ndu abo anopa no na afi donko ba ya pije mu ne sisi aba the final lab no nyambo a memende de kono ye be transfer mra no nkono abo anopa no ekokusi se dumi no abo ne apije mu na unze enkane na no nkono no ne o healing point ani doctor Brezet Foster be transfer wa church o niam bia obe be boa na nipadua na nya ahoden niam bia be ya ebe boa ma nipadua no onso wenya nkwatenti zanze ne wanhwa nya ntutu ni bia be wuntem ya na e ba se ha adwen kakra healing point ni programmer doctor o church niam bibremu na ne no eno so enkane na e ba no nkono na akwa wie no ndu ensese aba me pa cho donko 1 p.m. na afa akwa wie 2 p.m. Ti hye no se memenda we no ere kono sansese na ba amoka yiti die ne mu nyina ka bom ne aboa na dwumade na akokama kama pa memenda we anso no ena memanti no ebo mode na sha se memanti no maka etimera cho se political show na show no ye didi di nkoma a eto nsa frempemfu akuku dampa ombeba no ma ba beboa na ya che wade wasua ade a ene Ghana polibitimi tena bebi no aka asem bi aze oboni team na aka na no ye betro niam bebre beboa party me manti no me patro me nda dia e sha se me nda wi se niam de da dia no nsia abo dia pa mu no na jeze na na ya abo ama niam se no no libi aboga ebeji na konwa no wa wura nseri mu kama pere amount no nsia bia ebo pa mu afọ me nda idi kọ no me patro hye no so say 6:30 pm enwumre ere kokosi 9 pm no na na abo ama be transfer no abo mode na me manti no ewram kama pere amount no ejuma di fofo kra Sompa TV Sompa FM ewram a ye de ebo na ne ma da ye pet mera anti ken ho na me nda e hye ase no emo na ne ma da du person ba na aba be so ase a ha no do bo a wadwa di ton no e ya de akwa ni mu ye pa fa number no 024992942842 0249942842 na ne wa bo na ne mpinfo edi nkomane abo ma ne ma koye pera man me manti weekend di Saturday e sha se na abo na ne ma dadi pa apostle yen ko so ba sana ma me ma coach Akwaba coach Malik Jabe coach Akwaba
thank you very much
na bibia ko kama de
nyame adumti bibia ya kama
legend pa de me say odi bi ram ya bibi
kotoko de we dey be ho and see me di manu see no Kotoko have produced the best players in this country club level. Kotoko has produced the best legends in this country, undoubtedly. Coach Netien, one of the greatest legends this country has had. Kotoko na produce Reverend Osei Kofi, Wilberforce Mititinet. So to say, I was a coach, a boss shot at Titinet. Wilberforce in full. Yes. Tiana reference na question the net good was the net na atitiana
obekosonate
yeah nate short fantastic. Robert Mensah, the only goalkeeper Ghana yenya nisu keeper bia. Yes, until the issue by yenya bia. Goalkeeper or kind newspaper. The ball no cost no kind newspaper. What be that?
Robert Mensah.
Ball no cost no kind newspaper. Say we attack the ball about the deal of kind newspaper pack. Was Robert
all if you do have some back Kotoko.
But Kotoko never make you know.
Okay.
Yes, about 64. But Kotoko made you. And you Kotoko and you are good. Bet me a good. I shall be Kotoko never. And the history of this country, Kotoko soon a man plays a home. To our Kotoko players. Some guys, friends could me call Bordeaux 82.
Yeah.
And I know should tell you, sir, Kotoko no Oboa, a Pijao, Kotoko no Boa, only national team ball. And your great Abdul Razak, top player, golden. Opopa free. Only him say, a friend say, go Coach Bekano said, Opoka free. The late Opoka free. Go. Or that's sorry cry. One people and him crab on the net. It was a key reason why 1978 share Uganda, Ejikapa. And so when we want to talk about Asante Kotoko, King George Atta. I mean, so many great players. Anani Kobu. I mean, Kotoko producing top legends. A very unrivaled and it will be unmatched in this country. And now share Kotoko no na o share niema Kotoko be greater. As a journalist, we took quite a lot of our countries in the past. Okay, we could introduce you and say, do you know Asante Kotoko? Do you know Asante Kotoko? That is how mighty Kotoko on the African continent. What is it? What name? Yeah. Now we Coach Baba, but you see, look, 1970. So there was Robert Mensah. Yeah. Time now. Omuji penalty now. Chinabu Babebo. Almost say make only nature no. Now bibi before then saves our a channel almost a dome. And he yi channel to. Ya no yi channel to. Oh, okay, them simple gra. Without a channel, nadia.
Cheap penalty.
Oh, ball over the so antics. Oh no, very good at that. Or ball over the bar, baby gra. Said that was what not gonna go up 2-1. That Malibu, so then they equalizer. That is how exceptional Robert Mensah.
Mate Apostle, when he was a Messaba na Jerry Ramana ni coach atraseno. Yeni din komo but ni aye Kotoko mo dano. 87 years yɛnim sɛ ɔba Kotoko once year no so baba be ye dwuma no ye ni ye pa ɛmpo amane ma deda deɛ de ma club ne pay per fene betmensa na ohwe nkomodie no series tie ne series ko no so ebo modie the message ema team no na ahead of no nkomodidie mu no opimpa na tonkra e de ma Kotoko abusuaku no eni aye omoda no odidi di nkomo bebre na sei no ka e da che Kotoko abusuaku no.
Happy birthday. 87 years old today, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Every birthday for everybody, every club, every institution is a day to remember, a day to celebrate. And I just say happy birthday. Kumasi Asante Kotoko is not just a football club. It's an institution. We have Otumfo and we are blessed for that. And then we have memories. Good, different, not so good, the challenges. But everybody has contributed. I keep saying this all the time. We may look at ourselves as previous chairman and previous chief executives, but there were greater people before, and there'll be greater people after. In my time, I still used to remark at the greatness of the old man at Champong, who I used to give up my seat for, Mukazel, who never missed a home game during my time, both sadly departed. And I used to always make reference to Sims Mensah and his rebuilding effort and the success that Bewa had thereafter. We've had legends in clubs, turnarounds, and that huge support base that Kumasi Asante Kotoko has that has frightened the likes of El Ali and the South African greats who came up during my time to meet the ferociousness of a stadium so packed that everybody was going to shake. But my late father, B.A. Mensah, used to say to me, "Oh, Herbert, you're a small boy." And I said, "Oh, Dad, why are you saying that?" He says, "Kotoko." And I'll say, "Yes, Kotoko." And he'll say, "The days we used to go to the stadium." He said, "What about James Appiah?" And I said, "Yes, I heard he was great." He said, No, you really needed to see him." And I said, "Wow." And then we'd roll off names, a lot of which people would remember. Robert Mensah, Dan Opong. What about the great Chenche Hine? As for Dogomoro, when I first came to Kotoko, he was at the training grounds with Ebo Men's, and I didn't say much, but I would look over at this guy and think, wow, these are the guys who made magic. Baba Yara, what can you say? Sunday Ibrahim, a man with such humility and presence. I have so much respect for him. We shouldn't forget as well, as we were all growing up, Golden Boy Razak. What a giant he was. I used to remark and say, wow, look at that guy. His center of gravity, the size of his thighs, the way he would play. And he was voted Africa's best player at one point. The name Wilberforce Mfum used to frighten everybody. Not to forget Reverend Osei Kofi. Everybody has their memories of time, of the challenges within Africa, our battle against Hearts of Oak, our battles against so many things. Kotoko has survived the test of time, and will always be there. I say yes, Ukumapem, you know it yourself. It stands for so much greatness, and I say to everybody, you love the club, celebrate, follow the club. Irrespective of who is running it, love your club and understand what it means. Happy 87th birthday, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Happy birthday.
Tiano yan komani na chese of course Ramo Kotoko CEO bakwa na ejuma oba be no na atmu sampe so ani e pa betmensa na ne wa bomode ato mo nkra na emezo obobo mo legends no Kotoko team no aye team ketwa o we din na ye bobo na atmu zampa Kotoko Ghana na ye football no omaye bi pa na the Black Stars no crown no dey no bibintia Ghana nana football na ye ya bi all check it no bobo no omo African best wo omo ye we ne ade ebo amane makoye pa di no mema apostle aye we na ye rama na ma men coach Malija be so na amozo
me wi ana coach abem oh baba nyara
yeah
Usmanu Sedu Mada, that's the real name, or the best
Nidina Ankasa dey
Usmanu Sedu Mada. Osmano Seydou Mada. I said, any papa.
Oh, okay.
Dino,
How's boy and friend? Papa Jeans, I was a papa.
Oh, okay.
Baba means father.
And the best dribbler this country has produced. The best dribbler.
Babaya.
No, there's no dispute about the best dribbler. Now, coach, you describing it.
Coach, now can Babaya ask him.
Look, he was on the class.
Oh, okay.
On the class from the wing then, you like. Line by 5. You can't stop him. No, it's true.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't seen somebody.
Sompa 93.1.
He was equally very fast, could dribble, but on any pace, you know, because I know Suma.
Oh, okay.
Was greater.
Ah, okay. Oh, Ghana, there is a ring guess about on the not the Mufua.
Oh, yes.
Well, me twice with your media man obesino. Kotoko history no, we are now great CEOs, ne chairman. The greatest will forever be Benjamin Chemedusei, the greatest.
Oh, okay.
The greatest whoever. The BK Dusei, coach Owekan was here. On the coach Chris Aban Ibrahim Sandy Buba and Tibet Miakan see him. The greatest will be him. And I think that he will be followed by Yao Bewa. Yes, Yao Bewa, because now or taking some tough decisions and everything. One of them, unfortunately, was to relieve Opoku Afri of his captaincy. I mean, yeah.
And the reasons why he shouldn't.
Okay.
The Chile meeting was so okay, I hear. But the next morning, he brought me a letter. He sacked.
At that time, now means so be here player and the Balkaya.
He was our goal scorer.
Oh, okay.
But I will tell you why.
Sompa 93.1.
And he. But me come on with them musrunkun. Then you BK do say number Yabewa and Sims Mensah. Did very Sims Mensah. Yeah, dear Assad Mala. No, you're director of operation. Yeah, call operations, sir. Assad Mala. Director of operation Maya Bewa. Whatever happened, yeah, Mokazel. So
Lebanese.
Lebanese.
Okay. Ultimate Kotoko flag Tintin Bay Hanist petrol station. No, the coast stadium round before a match would start.
Sompa 93.1.
In his car, open car.
Okay.
Ofori no akun Bessie. Ofori no akun. Yes. There was a guy that seen to my no, not in Tuma or Katan Tuma or the Tuma Noriba Stadium. Yes. Ofori no akun. No. Anytime no sooner or no, or I see you know, in the time hasn't been shadow.
Okay.
Yes, those CEOs almost got away one of them. So there's any time no over a dead boy's house over Bashano. And so Yakwa Bedru, the late Paul Victor Bimo board. I had bed by Despa Mo, Mr. Kobna Kesim, all of them. Helena Kobna, Bedu Bafo, Menkwetia, Etosunsia, Bant the only Korogos you are called twice. So they are here. Bedu Dr. Kikisapo, ending an eye on Ponsa. So in some, Kotoko have had great players, the greatest players Ghana has produced, as well as greatest managers, administrators.
When Herbert came, I was a board member.
Oh, okay.
PV Open was our chairman. And come on, Herbert was
Sompa 93.1.
Tell you, if he needs anything, he can get it.
Oh, okay.
From the supporters. He knows how to go about it.
Coach. And then Yamakwa Babium. Na bebisa Kotoko ya jidin Kotoko ye hu nyina no. Ye behwe the means one in terms of administration. So you were fortunate to have seen a lot of administration.
All of them.
So a kwan ben na omo fa so a omo ehihye niema eba player welfare eba player to eba club no hihye e ma Kotoko be ye awo Ghana ni Africa nyina.
Well, luckily for me, me buy me two BK Edusei. BK Edusei, I don't want to describe him because you see, you were on a pioneer and I affect him. So he could not walk. He was always on a wheelchair. He was always on a wheelchair.
Sompa 93.1.
But I tell you, when I came, he made the team look like Onene Papa Nenama in the game. No a contractor.
Okay.
In the business, no a contractor. Why only see a lot of these military buildings in almost sports stadium, a lot of buildings in Accra. I tell you, but he had time for Kotoko.
Okay.
Me buy or mami betu
Sompa
mature players
93.1.
like Mfum, who was our captain. Ose Kofi came before me. He came 2 years. He came 62. I came 64. Abokare, this man brought us from Tamale.
Oh, okay.
He brought Abokare first. After that, then Osmanu and us, Nisalami. He came for us. I tell you, when you come, he will let you feel at home. You won't even feel from where you are coming from. You won't think about the place. Me personally, if I tell you what this
Sompa
man has done,
93.1.
me buy na me go school, Radi school. Say now the bia or player by player, just ask you, what are your needs?
The demand near my here.
Nema here.
No frame Marco.
Marco.
Now what be out
Oh yeah, don't tell anybody.
Oh, okay.
I chase a play bia ni hwa one friend. Dia wo penons no oyema. Binumu timi kasa
Sompa 93.1.
room and furniture. He will say go and find the room. He will pay the money and buy you the furniture without telling anybody.
Oh, okay.
If you say a car, he will say if you tell people I won't buy, unless you promise him that you won't tell anybody. He will buy. I was the only lucky guy. Not me a student. Into na ma me bob ball no with them. But na ma ni sa where to stay ni adie no.
Oh, okay.
Into dakro me wa and all ringing me say.
Sompa 93.1. Sompa Sports.
And I say, hey, ya makwa student ya makwa me pese me ko wa. Oh no so minja. Member Accra from Accra no na makowa. I didn't like it. But I said okay. And Mr. Friend said, already my ticket and also cotton na Accra. Okay, and I'm cotton ticket. I could drew Accra. So I'm not £1. I buy 9, 10 never Accra. I could drew your course or copona man. I said, my ba.
Sompa 93.1.
Mandarin. Say, no, I order food from Chinese first shop in Accra. Mandarin be Mandarin.
Yeah.
Opposite the police hospital hall, and I did the table so. I feel an old friend Nana. May he rest in peace, Nana Poku. But they know a lawyer in Accra, and also by the three of us, the two eating. You go to the dia and oyi key.
Sompa 93.1.
Press packet. Send an engine home for mama. And another man, and I must say, here, dear, and almost so khaki. A taxi in our toa mamma, or pentino yellow. And all taxis also were fill a tank with an envelope of another 300 cities. By then,
At that time, yeah.
at that time, was it who's me a student? But I've never asked any of one of them. Woyano busa, omuko meetings are. Mimbusa will be a 1 peso rather. Until or decided to over taxi and mama. So that the taxi will be
Sompa
helping me
93.1.
in my school days.
Oh, okay.
without asking me. He didn't ask me.
No one share crying.
No. And I'm catching almost a million can't no more, sir. And almost anti Malik and the amount into over there and a car in Aqua. I can't drive. And also Jemfi in the driver. Pajiki for Malik in a car coffee. Hey, Ukofi and Sua, go and give out your room where you are hiring. Go and stay in my house at Asopa.
Sompa 93.1.
That big head you say, Nasem Namiki.
Oh, okay.
I just play Biani in Kotoko. One seeking the welfare of that player, personally. The Osaya Mama Pa and it's
Sompa Sports.
So Okasano Okasa call tour in Britain.
Yeah.
I tell you, tour no buy no musi bibi there was something reason be my uncle. There and also okay, uncle. He will foot the whole bill. He paid from his pocket. And a choir. We played Stoke City.
Sompa Sports.
Some
Birmingham also.
Where Gordon Banks used to be, you know.
Yeah.
Oba I share 3-1. Into no Montiasia. The following week, when I'm invited in Britain, you know, your choir. Our first half, we were leading 1-0. Sometimes we had a squad power.
Yeah.
Then second half, and soon started half with the name. The Amote Caron. Last minute, hey, quarter kick. Omupia, your goalkeeper, Boche, only ball in just to beat us 2-1 before they were satisfied.
Oh, okay.
Sompa Sports.
So, in fact, that man really helped. But no, also were a group of helpers like SK Men, big businessmen, and they were all prepared to give out.
Was France or CCB there?
So they helped.
SK yourself.
And that helped Kotoko Pa and Ma. Those of us who were we were not being paid, but you felt you were okay. You were equal. There was no need to pay us.
Oh, okay.
Inti Sebosumino Kosum. We no match I force this war.
Time no.
Time.
Home ni away na home ne. Time ni dey need piano. Ukwa we corina for city. Or any another citizen.
Kumasi have a winner 4 cities. Ukwa we could winner is the same 4 cities.
Oh, okay.
But what draw and Ebemon 2
cities. Okay.
Month ending there, your house rent now the intino. Opera Kofa well team. Because we needed 4 cities to pay your rent. No, what?
Sompa Sports.
Until that man was exceptional. Nobody can match that man in Kotoko. Nobody. Osha, the other chairman, no, I tell you, they all gave out their best.
Ebia Yaobewa.
Ebia Yaobewa. Ebia Ana Simpson, Ana Fatiga. No, whatever.
For no
Oh, they were all very lovely. No, Munina were really interested in the team. They all worked so hard. Bin Mukura affected all businesses.
Yes, for Nako, for instance, suffered a lot.
But they never gave up until their time was due. Into Ubunse Kotoko, a lot of people sacrificed. Into Enunama young players at that time, even without pain, but you lie, we won't allow you to beat us. Because we saw that they were all giving us their best. So at that time, honestly, we also had a leader, Bumfum, who was the captain. Look, so we were problem, whether in Kotoko or in Black Star. There were more players in Black Star than any other team. Bumfum will take his VW car, drive to Accra, go and solve the problem and come back.
Oh, okay.
As a leader. Until you can see, sir, captainship, it's just not only who is the best player should be the captain, but player who will be good to always be in the team and also have time for his mates, solve problems, Oh, a lot of things Mfum did. Improve Yemubebre. So when we became captains, we all tried most of those things.
Oh, okay.
And then there almost creating my any unity. Oshaya squad noir. Obia a champion winning position. Into Obia and Brennan Yanko. Sasam Tobacco. Yanina. Oh, they will all be present. They will all help. But Musuan counters a one but training. Without permission. You read training, Yanina better than Bass Mwabofi. My number 2 of fear. You might have to do, they did whatever. But you know, you will never do it. So you can see the type of team now. Your time no. Into Kai Winu, Nasa Woshe and Ne, where Kotoko is, need the way things are going now. You just feel sad. Oh yes.
Coach, here my working one. What you say, Kotoko is successful. One at time no because na BK do say or you be a na players welfare.
The welfare.
Na unfend the agro. Obefa top players about team no and now on one kasa personal problem crowd no be making sure say was solve personal problem ama.
Yes.
And or cancel uncle Katre atapoku so near see between on to keeping in na.
Uko kana say be buso na so bo. Ebra wa yo. So go ka. Na so what ya wa ka say obo man ya hwia man.
Sompa Sports.
Now, Edian Strunkuna, ya be why me can't to able because so say Sam Renona team no peja ye pa.
Yo be we he was lucky to pick other management members, who were his mates. They were also all managers, directors in their various ideas. In their one match, you can see Obia will come in his own car. Sahanu Hukura, Munyanaba. No you even almost share small times here, they can have a meeting and take a decision. No Obia was concerned and Obia had time for Kotoko. Very time. He was so lucky. We loved them and we were very happy with them. You see,
one question.
You can't say all. A dozen.
Before I continue.
A dozen.
Coach, I'm saying, what can some be ama? I was a cry agumi. Na samba kwa man for taika. Na utum for na so aka send the Kotoko a sunsum. A bosom osum ni ya. A dinshira bro. We ne boneso a etuauka. Wadama asem bi say no. Why ye juma as a player, as a coach, a drew sa level, as an administrator for the club. No, obi papa be anyway bit me bisan sa same way. Say that Kotoko the bosom na ye na nkasa tie.
Bosom ya ni say. Wa hwedia BK Yamama. If I don't appreciate what he has done, no. Even the Nyamikura Yama won't appreciate it. Anna, but payment is in my head. It's in my heart.
Sompa 93.1.
So, how can I desert Kotoko? There is no way. Even here, Pamu Krano, Moon Bada, you still go near. It's true. Like me too, say, nobody has, for the past 4 years, nobody has asked me to help in any way. Why should I be worried? It's my team.
Absolutely.
I will look at them when their time pass. Any day, anybody who wishes I should help, I go and help. But to change my mind about Kotoko, I didn't assume my chance. I will never change my mind. I am a Kotoko man.
Nothing changes you.
But nobody, no team can take me to anywhere. No. It's true. Has near over here GFA chairman. No, he has chairman.
Yeah,
No,
Tommy Thompson.
No. Why here? No, State Insurance.
Nyamite.
I was working at State Insurance back then. When he was the managing director, he called me once. I should go to the airport and come to Accra. I'll be coming back. From the office, they took me to the airport. I went to Accra. When I went lunchtime, there was a long table like this. When we were eating, then he asked me, Malik, at the same time, what's it? Hey, I'm so we need you work with Papa, and I'm saying, and also in this abase, Mr. Team Kotoko, a bahasa, a baby, I didn't know it was because of me they organized that thing. So he was my boss.
HP Nyamite.
Yes. I said, no. I said, hey, Kotoko is taking good care of me. There's no need to change. Was it okay? So, Uncle, I'm also about to take better check care. And I'm saying, I need a honey. Me Kotoko did them. So, and then I'm going back to my Kotoko. And that will be ready. Sir, over what I gain in Kotoko, over to my chance, and you tell me.
Kotoko African Cup final 70s. Amubo African Cup final 80s. Amubo African Cup finals 93. Asante bought 2002, 2004. 93 the end there you were a big part of it.
Yes.
Can you tell us?
92 na win here.
83 na
you win 82 ni 71. 71 na win back.
Yeah.
71 there no. Yes. I know we were really prepared. Because this will always say, hey, take them to City Hotel. More steak meat, more chips, more. At that time,
wow.
One man, a Vienna, Ubia, who buy a dinner before the match. You bet Daho, Copem say, a bomb in a week. You are.
Some passports.
You don't echo train, no Samba. And they Tim Ben between my eyes are Ghana. Yes, but that time we had it.
Kotoko have always been at the top.
Yes, yes. Because we had the men. We had the men. We still have men now, but I've heard there.
Some passports.
Too much. We had the men, pa.
Coach Kotoko story no. Nipa ba kwa you need free more any Robert Mensah.
Oh.
Nah,
Robert Mensah. You know, your time no, we were so united. Mfum was our captain. Say you go to ball league. Your ball league, you know. I tell you, say you call. You bow chrome. There's one particular player beat me higher in power. Young players, you didn't come. You say, Akoi, or high in power. Your bar, better down, better on the dinner. Oh, back, Kumasin sooner so to me behind Bima. Nay, I take it. Yet me, yes, I had throughout the league. Maybe I yet 3-4 players. Na young players, ya meeting a choro letter with those names. Munkofa win no Mumbeboy. Yan time, that's what we were doing.
Some passports.
In the matter of recruitment, and I said, no, we never had recruitment exercise. The players themselves. Into Yan Yamba Fombra. Into Ba, say, but you are too. Why no Nabenasem? Yan SCM before into by ya do from no.
Interesting.
And there is no more.
Wow. Kokude Mr. Major Brenner, a coach agent home Kakrina, Yaka, a draw a month for than a dear chair Kotoko, no home common on ye didn't see, and I knew Sadiq Adams. And a was a could feed him common effort, Robert Mensah Korea, na brabo, or born Kotoko, Niwu. Now, as I could feed Chima say, only Robert Mensah dear. Baby, call baby, no moon himself back in the crab to Asante Kotoko. Inquini.
no nti Kotoko bibi ayemi enu na di anim nti yerusu to aso ba ye tre na Asante hene frɛ me ne Robert sɛ yenko hu nsuma nkwa na omene na Kotoko kofom otumfo akasa ti me ne Robert ye koe eniema ye koe ye de me ne mi enu nkwa na anim na ye pie no mete sɛ konfo no kan sɛ are ye mu ba ko be oka kyerɛ nkwa no nti me de mete me ka sɛ na Kotoko a qualify and the AG League in Intino, or camp. Oh, Kumasi. Now, Robert T. Tema. And Tiabuchi, a operation in a way, not me bad. Not Kotoko, I walk camp. And almost my driver be a friend at Debo. Sir, Omeshiano Airport. Namen make us Robert to be 18 or from the airport, young Kofa Robert will fear him. Brother. Conform professor no assistant ba ku do enti play me late dimbedu hanajo enti driver no madam for edi of me an o say time we dey be kona Robert we ni fie di entwa na no pa yakofa roya anapo ko na wo wow so anajo na a me bedru ye no
boy. So we do between them.
Okay. Yes.
Man country. But your time no so no your respect for one another. Wow. You move be wo. Sanya me ya juni wo. Pinum so ajuni nim. But na hayen kura me kai me ba Kotoko first so when I fear baby amodi aya is a fire service on top of all na do
wow
all na nyina ye bobo macha ye koda ho ade chia ye be di breakfast wo di lunch ye dress wo ye free ho na ye call ye free ho na ye call park sana na ye no nti mi sore anopa no musim mi kwajare ana mi zo majare and manager is Malik. I said go and bath. I said no, I've had my bath. I said I dear or have you know. I said go and bath. I said why? I said on top there me call ya na bucket bi with some black concoctions we no more distress me call ya na msa ba ya say manager, you see what you are doing. Me see if I do it, we won't win. And I say, well, I need pro and the quarter. And I'm pump me free. But when we went, we won. So when we did say, there was room for those who had such beliefs, you know. We were not interfering. They accepted it.
Yeah.
Sompa Sports.
Until your time, no. We just were so liberal. No, because everybody was mature. Every player was a matured guy. Until we knew how to handle ourselves.
Coach, I can't be brave. To say I know a coin bang and a Kotoko a some mofa or my number two a bema Kotoko asan at least so one call the Democrat a besan pija I am competitive on the African continent and then in Ghana I dominating.
This is a question now. You're here to clean 3 areas before Kotoko can come back. Number 1, who are to run the club? There should be people who understand football. Young fan say, so we are contractor. What do you run? Masons are some Nobaka and I block as some and as idea. So they me say. But so we will be a Waniji football no. What are bang? What is a players or so ye did your chases mu, your health mu, and sana ya bomage. I was also coach. I won him over in him DA. No, Timatri no mama, and I make him. I was able to keep players and also. I tell you, your time, no, play behind you 1 year less than 6 years continuous in Kotoko. You move big trasa.
Passports.
But Obia before I open who's a Baku film now it's above 6, 7, 8 years. And then for a long time you need BBC, you need permanent players. Players about that 2 years, they are gone. What's I for new ones about? The baby could have 1 year, Nebin Musako. Say I steady team. I steady administrative wing. Na competent technical team. These 3 areas here. And ginger supporters. Kotoko supported the old pair and say win. One winner. Next time on Bapako. And that is what it is. Kotoko timi bon match ko hwe pack pa sa wo besumo wo ya dan wo wontimi nsere wonim se no sa papa wonim adan because you win twice or 3 times or 4th match no ma omo ye sensors spectators bear more than the whole first 3 times intino die na ye nimu an say hey how many goals how many goals na dey brawo and you say how many draw and not defeat. No, we were a winning side all the time, and the winning side factor no is no more. And you know, I was say ye pe obi binuma honestly omo te football na say omo wo animdie no ana yenim say team dey say na ye ya no ye wia yem pe CEO a real administrator in the sense obehun role technically say if CAF GFA rules and laws and why no he will be in charge of all those things, but the coach no wababano yempe dia wabeye very they will be left and right. Somebody who really knows how to coach, know his key factors, know how to handle players, know how players learn. When you get all these things together, and there are no periods as to what to do, don't jam things. If it is off season, no. When you come to preparation, you know what you have to do. You start matches and so you know the kind of training you give. You look at the level. You know how to lift it. Too much and so you know how to decrease. I was so don't fight with players, but you can discipline them without fighting with them. Let me give you an example of my type. When I was coaching Razak Numu Poke Free Numna Day, Bibia meet her, I don't ask you. I would say, meet me in my office. Oba, I take you on. In Fapena, maybe this percentage out of your salary. Back to chest. No, mon pes akra. Inti sa oba me ho a. Me nya Fapena obon se binum to me kneel down. Please, for chairman, I won't do it again. Pa, nam dia chairman, pem so a me say no. You are what I so say. We are sad there. But and sometimes problems be cry over Kotoko. You can't believe. I say player even standing to fight a coach. How? You need matured people to really run, boys. Yenye players and so on. Yentiku are hoping to keep them as many as 3-4 years together. Then you get the best out of them.
We are happy with the quality of players, Kotoko.
Who are they? I don't even know that.
At all for, let's say, the last decade in in terms of standard of Kotoko, do they meet the standard?
Like students. They are just like our radio school team at that time. We could have beaten them. And Paul.
So players now fall below expected standard of a typical Kotoko player.
Look, and I'm making Mr. players Quran suggested. But now, what really should be done is recruiting players. We have got to think about Africa. Think about the team from Cameroon. Look at their heights. Look at their strength. Team from Nigeria. Team from Senegal. Team from Cote d'Ivoire. Look at these Congolese teams. Into who for player. Look at the height. Look at his structure. Look at, even if you are to polish him in his play, he will still be more effective for you in the period.
Sompa Sports.
Smallish, 9 4. He can play in any continental game. But look for strong men. Make sure they are fit, then you take them into Africa. Give them African training. African Cup matches, they are different from the league.
Yeah.
But we play in strong. Was about 3 free height here. Ball was where is he? No. However good he is. This is our exceptional. We're exceptional because we had people like Osekofi. Osekofi was under my armpit. But we were playing together.
They were exceptional.
They were exceptional. If not, we should look at the structure and then make the players. People are talking about number 9. Let's naturalize the French guy. Why can't we make one? Why can't we make one in Ghana? Let the coach give him, as a prep, please produce a 9. We need more 9s. Produce a 10. Understand in the bar, they can play. Boy in the bar first, they know how to score.
Yeah.
But with training here, he became the champion for Kotoko. It means we can make some here.
Coach, yedi no ebewieno. Kotoko, a typical Kotoko fan, Kotoko supporter. The expectation, they be honest, because when I supporters in Kotoko, but Kotoko fan, I went home from when you were playing in the club in the 60s to time I'll be coaching 80s till now. Kotoko supporter, the average Kotoko supporter, at the end of any expectation,
win. The answer is to win. Win. If you win today, you win tomorrow, you win next day. They will want to come and see, win. They come in. I'm telling you. Somebody that coach Kotoko so many years. The more you win, the more spectators come. It's true.
There's a results, and now I draw.
When you're sure of results, but the caliber of the players too, and
American. Because players no be obeshwe Malik Jaber.
Yes.
Obeshwe Osekofi. Obeshwe Bukari.
Yes.
Nimsanza ene ba Bukari kwa beshe go.
Abukari no Osekofi no ben ano and Yansu minim from outside. Yansu from outside we were scoring. You call on as one who the typer. Even and you go to go to a place like Holland. I tell you, so who fat or team. Not so all attacking now. You are wasting your time. They will sack you at the end of the season. It's true. They want to see a team attacking all the time. And so, what is our tradition? Kotoko, our tradition, and say, you must get real good players who can keep the ball, who can entertain them and win. And then what do we have? We are not making them. We should make them.
Do birthday, Kotoko didn't birthday, and then when you are share Kotoko now.
And the question is sad. And in town, who even knows Kotoko birthday yet? One in him. A damn ceremony be done. I beg Yan, I beg kind amount for Kotoko birthday in there. It's not interesting. And you're interesting. And there was and the Kurano, you organizing some match between Kotoko and somebody, so another team at the stadium. So and the Nanka, a dancing a day, assure our people say now we are coming back. Almost the answer young Brambasha matches, then you now start generating interest in them. And no, I may say Herbert Mensah was the best in settings. You have got to induce them to come by your actions. And you
Coach, I know paid it.
Coach, or the coach, the Alpha Bibia, as a player, as a coach, administrator, Fabiana. You know, the back why Ghana no a year or more year has for. Now, they said, oh, didn't come on. You know, say, CCR, Pedio, Candia, Kotoko, the greatest ever team at Bagana. Now, dear Nemo wanted down, so the Omo to Munianum has and one, and no Boame Kakra.
And naturally,
okay,
Baba Yaranko, we are Kola, why didn't out here? Baba Yara. He was from Kotoko. So when we meet even CK Jemfi was also from Kotoko.
Yes.
He was sacked.
Before call.
I don't know why. Oh, okay, I know. I won't say. So when we meet but they were the best players. They were the best players. Oh. Look at Salisu. Look at Adakwa. And they were playing in the national. They were all playing in the national team at the same time. Oh, Haas also had few like Adodomite.
Yeah, so 63.
And then we had Olympics too. Number 10. Odoi, no, they were my mates in the national team. Yeah. Some were very good, but very few. But yet we had a group of good players
dominated the national team.
That is the difference.
So our associate them no. Say Kotoko quality no.
Quality no.
And we danger has.
Training na been bus stadium to watch. Come and watch us climbing the steps, not playing or running on the track, and we don't see all settings. So we must let the supporters, we must draw their interest. We shouldn't just expect them to come in on their own. They are fed up with us. Let's let them be okay again. But we should let people who know how to do it come in. But those who know how to do it, they keep them out.
I think what they do, baby, now, Rabbi Brimana. Yere Kotoko compare team to say Hilal Money Simba Moa. Or this as him na ya fan say.
Johnny my too quiet papa. My packet couldn't have taken me there. Who called Egypt? Who called Hilal? Al Hale.
Yeah.
Nebakono.
Zamalek.
Who called Omu structure stadium wise. Youth training fields. Maybe 2, 3. Parents bring their kids to train and they take them away. Look at the main stadium. Look at everything just like a young government stadium, Sibia. But it's for the clubs. Kotoko, where do we even have a proper training ground? And the woman who said, they looked after the players well, but we never thought about the club.
Okay.
All these administrators. And I was a started to say, Pia or take the job of Kotoko. Think about the club. Your duty is to take care of the players and think about the club.
Okay. Coach, Anope deɛ Sompa 93.1 FM ne Sompa TV edasi sɛ yɛto nsa fra anope na wabɛboae ama yɛ nkyɛkyerɛ ne yɛtiefo ne ahwɛfo nyinaa nyame hyira na anka birthday deɛ sɛ w'ani gye nanso also wura ho 87 birthday because me man said I'm going to in the house.
No, you're coming Kotoko dear Kotoko at 87, and of course, legend pa. Coach Malik Jaben and your joining na Mova Cheze Yentima Mambaso. Minimizia Bashuta to no so and Komo Yani Bababidi. Ti Ebama Kwana so a friend waba. Here na news for naba na Omaba to aso itimeda mamu.